guys, this is Sunny back with another video. As you guys can see, finally I'm done upgrading my black and white build. Now that's my personal rig. This rig represents my channel, and as you guys can see, my color theme is black and white. Now you guys are thinking maybe why he's using the same case, why I didn't get a maybe different case. Guys, I just love this case. I just love the way the black and white color like stand out. I was thinking about getting the NZXT S340 Elite case, but then just for a tempered glass, and you know what, that's just waste of money. As you guys can see, the processor I went with i7 7700K managed to overclock this processor all the way 5 GHz with 1.29 volt running flawlessly. I really don't like the temperature, 80 plus Celsius. I'm thinking about maybe I'll just delete the CPU, and yeah. As you guys can see, the motherboard I went with Asus Prime Z270-AR motherboard. It's a great motherboard for $154. I picked it up, the motherboard and the processor, from Micro Center for $484. That's including $30 discount. Guys, I do recommend Micro Center if you guys have one near you. If not, I'm sorry. As you guys can see, the graphic card I went with EVGA GTX 1070, not the SE, not the Founder Edition. It's a regular SE. I picked it up from Jet.com for $364. Jet.com had a promo going on, so I managed to get this graphics card brand new for $364. Overall, guys, rest of the hardware remains same, nothing else I changed. Yes, I did add some vinyl, carbon fiber vinyl. As you guys can see, the fans had the white vinyls on right now, and overall, like I said, the system is looking really pretty. This system served all the work I need to get done, from video rendering to gaming benchmark, everything. I'm planning on building a Ryzen build soon maybe, but other than that, this is my main PC for now, and like I say, it gets all the job done. Now guys, this is the part 1 of my personal rig upgrade video. Stay tuned for the part 2 so you guys can see the full gaming benchmark. If you do like my video, guys, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned. Peace.